एमसीक्यू है वो फार्मेसी प्रैक्टिस से है, जो कि क्वेश्चन बैंक 1 है। ये 7 सेम के लिए है। ओके, 7 सेम के लिए है एमसीक्यू। ओके, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर, प्राइमरी हॉस्पिटल इज अ हॉस्पिटल दैट कंटेन, the answer is A, less than 100 बेड्स। प्राइमरी हॉस्पिटल जो होता है इसमें कंटेन किया जाता है कितना, लेस देन 100 बेड्स को। ओके, इसका जो आंसर होगा ए होगा। देन सेकंड क्वेश्चन नंबर, इन अ स्मॉल हॉस्पिटल द मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ रिक्वायर्ड फार्मासिस्ट इज, मिनिमम जो स्मॉल हॉस्पिटल होता है उसमें मिनिमम रिक्वायर्ड फार्मासिस्ट कितना होना चाहिए, तो इसका जो आंसर है वो है सेकंड, यानी कि 3, यानी कि 3 फार्मासिस्ट होना चाहिए। ओके, जो आप कर रहे हैं। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज 3 क्वेश्चन नंबर, टू स्टार्ट अ रिटेल ड्रग स्टोर a minimum of a minimum of 150 स्क्वायर मीटर एरिया इज रिक्वायर्ड है 150 स्क्वायर मीटर एरिया किसके लिए, ड्रग स्टोर के लिए, रिटेल ड्रग स्टोर के लिए जब आप स्टार्ट करते हैं मिनिमम में। देन अब एंड फॉर होलसेल ड्रग स्टोर, जो होलसेल ड्रग स्टोर होता है वो मिनिमम 200 स्क्वायर मीटर एरिया होना चाहिए। ओके, इसका जो आंसर होगा ए होगा। नेक्स्ट इज फोर्थ क्वेश्चन नंबर, द वेरियस मेथड एम्प्लॉयड फॉर द quantification include, the answer is A, alphabetical order method. Various methods employed for the quantification include alphabetical order method. The answer is A. Okay, next is sixth question number, drug which is contraindicated in pregnancy, drug which is contraindicated in pregnancy, the answer is A, tetracycline. The answer is A. Okay, next is sixth question number, HbA1c, that means glycosylated hemoglobin, is diagnosed test for, the answer is B, diabetic mellitus. The answer is B, diabetic mellitus. Next is 7th question number, all are cardiac maker except, all are cardiac maker except, कौन सा except, then the answer is D, bilirubin. The answer is D, bilirubin, except bilirubin. Okay, next is 8th question number, which lipoprotein has highest concentration of cholesterol, the answer is A, VLDL. The answer is A, VLDL. Okay, next is 9th question number, पर्पस ऑफ पीटीसी, क्या है पर्पस पीटीसी का, द आंसर इज सी, बोथ ए एंड बी, ए इज एडवाइजरी एंड बी इज एजुकेशनल, द आंसर इज सी। ओके, बोथ ए एंड बी। नेक्स्ट इज 10th क्वेश्चन नंबर, सैटेलाइट फार्मेसी इज लोकेटेड एट, satellite pharmacy is located at, the answer is C, only one in a hospital, answer is C. Next is 11th question number, patient who occupy the space in hospital are called, the answer is C, in patient, the answer is C, in patient. Okay, next is 12th question number, which of the following is not an inventor, inventory, the answer is B, machine, the answer is B, machine, the answer is B. Next is 13th question number, the time period between placing an order is its receipt in stock is known as, the answer is A, lead time, the answer is A, lead time. Next is 14th question number, the cost associated with inventory is, या R, the answer is T, all of the above, ऊपर के सभी। A is purchase price of the inventory, B is reorder cost, and C is inventory holding cost, shortage cost, the answer is D. Next is 15th question number, buffer stock is the level of stock, the answer is C, minimum stock level below which actual stock should not fall? The answer is C. 16 question number. Inventory control is an important part of material management. The answer is B. Material management. Okay. Next is 17 question number. In ABC analysis, the category of A includes item with small quantity but high. The answer is B. Value. High value. Okay. The answer is B. Next is the 18 question number. TDM is a very essential for those drugs with TDM is a very essential for those drugs with. The answer is C. Narrow therapeutic index. Answer is C. Narrow therapeutic index. Next is 19 question number. Clinical pharmacy is a branch of pharmacy. Clinical pharmacy is a branch of pharmacy in which clinical pharmacists provide direct patient care that optimize the use of medication and promote health, wellness and disease prevention. The answer is A. Okay, direct patient care. Next is 20 question number. FSN in the layout of the drug store stand for. FSN का जो लेआउट है स्टैंड फॉर ड्रग स्टोर स्टैंड फॉर क्या होगा तो इसका जो आंसर होगा वो होगा डी दैट मीन्स एफ मीन्स फास्ट मूविंग एस मीन्स स्लो मूविंग एंड एन मीन्स नॉन मूविंग द आंसर इज डी ओके नेक्स्ट इज 21 क्वेश्चन नंबर द फ्लोइंग आर द प्रिंसिपल the following are the principle of inventory control except the answer is D overstocking. Answer is D overstocking. Next is 22 question number. The count of hemoglobin. The count of hemoglobin decrease than normal range in anemia and leukemia. The answer is C. The answer is C. Decrease than normal range. Next is 23 question number. VED analysis stand for VED जो है analysis stand for क्या है? The answer is B. Vital, essential, desirable. V means vital, A means essential, D means desirable. The answer is B. Next is 24 question number. IRB stand for IRB क्या है stand for the answer is A institutional review board institutional review board I that means institutional R that means review B that means board okay the answer is A next is 25 question number EOQ stand for EOQ जो है वो क्या है तो इसका जो आंसर होगा वो B होगा E that means economic O that means order and Q that means quantity. The answer is B. Next is 26 question number. Inventory control level can be calculated in order to maintain inventories at the optimum level. The three critical control level are. The answer is A. Reorder level, minimal level and maximum level. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 27 question number. Increased number of RBC in urine is called increased number of RBC in किसमें urine में is called so क्या कहते हैं तो आंसर जो होगा वो hematuria. The answer is C. Okay. Next is 28 question number. The numerical method of is also known as the numerical method जो होता है उसको also known is as किस नाम से जाना जाता है और भी इसका जो आंसर होगा वो होगा बी सीक्वेंस सिस्टम मेथड द आंसर इज बी सीक्वेंस सिस्टम मेथड ओके नेक्स्ट 29 क्वेश्चन नंबर कोडिंग प्रोसेस of assigning a code number or code symbol to a particular material for easy identification? The answer is D. Coding process of assigning a code number or code symbol to a particular material for easy. And 30 question number. The information is presented by author without any evaluation by a second party is primary source. The answer is B. Primary source. Okay. Next is 31 question number. Poison control center was established for poison control center was established for. The answer is A. To provide rapid access to information valuable in assessing and treating poisoning. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 32 question number. The quality of good counselor in patient counseling is. The answer is T. All of the above. A is be a good listener, B is be a flexible, and C is be a empathic. The answer is T. All of the above. Next is 33 question number. The benefit of patient counseling is. The answer is T. All of the above. Benefit of patient counseling is all of the above. A is serving patient and their well-being. Okay. B is improve patient compliance, and C is formation of trusting relationship with patient. The answer is D. Next is 34 question number. Internal teaching program involved in a training of student nurse in a hospital. The answer is A. Student nurse. Okay. Next is 35 question number. Clinic is a place where outpatient are provided medical treatment, checkup, or advice for their health. The answer is C. Okay. Clinic is a place, clinic place है जो कि आपको प्रोवाइड करता है मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट, चेकअप को, और एडवाइस भी देता है हेल्थ के बारे में. ओके. इसका जो आंसर होगा सी होगा, क्लिनिक. ओके. और जीपैट रिवीजन क्लासेस को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें, शेयर करें, और जितने भी जीपैट का क्वेश्चन है और वो आपको सिलेबस जितने भी हैं वो आपको मेरे प्लेलिस्ट में मिल जाएंगे, वहां से आप देख सकते हैं. ओके. तब तक के लिए बाय. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.